Welcome to our latest project. Today, we're transforming copper wire from a washing machine water pump into a beautiful bonsai tree. Watch as we carefully shape and twist each piece to create a stunning piece of art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see more creative upcycling projects. Enjoy the process.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little workshop, there lived a creative inventor named Alex. Alex had a knack for seeing potential in discarded objects, always eager to breathe new life into what others deemed as trash. One sunny afternoon, while dismantling an old washing machine, Alex stumbled upon a hidden treasure, a motor filled with shiny copper wire. This discovery sparked a wave of inspiration. The copper wire, with its warm and lustrous hue, seemed to beckon Alex to transform it into something extraordinary. After a moment of contemplation, with a sense of excitement, Alex carefully unraveled the copper wire, handling it with the precision of a skilled artisan. As the wire unwound, Alex's mind envisioned the intricate details of the bonsai. Each twist and turn of the wire brought the tree to life, creating a mesmerizing dance of curves and lines. The branches spread out gracefully, each one a testament to Alex's dedication and creativity. The workshop was filled with a serene atmosphere, the soft sound of the wire being As the bonsai grew, so did Alex's admiration for the process. It was a labor of love, a journey of transformation from raw material to a stunning piece of art. The branches were adorned with tiny leaves, meticulously crafted from smaller strands of copper. The leaves shimmered in the light, adding a touch of magic. Every now and then, Alex would step back to admire the progress, envisioning the final masterpiece. The tree was not just an object, it was a narrative of creativity, patience, and the beauty of upcycling. It symbolized the potential hidden within everyday objects, waiting to be uncovered by those who dared to look beyond the surface. Friends and family often This bonsai tree, however, seemed to captivate everyone who saw it. It was a conversation starter, an example of how art could be found in the most unexpected places. Alex would often share the story of the washing machine motor, explaining how it became a source of inspiration and a reminder of the endless possibilities of upcycling. As the hours turned into days, Alex continued to The process was meditative, a form of art therapy that brought immense joy and satisfaction. The bonsai was nearing completion, standing as a testament to what could be achieved with imagination and skill. Finally, the day arrived when the bonsai tree was finished. It stood proudly in the workshop, a beautiful blend of art and nature. Alex felt a deep sense of accomplishment, knowing that this creation was not just a piece of art, but a symbol of innovation and sustainability. Join us on this journey of transformation and see how a simple piece of copper wire can become a stunning work of art. Watch as we bring this bonsai to life, step by step. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to witness more amazing upcycling projects. Enjoy the story and the process.